setting. Ladies and gentlemen, seatbelts on and we're ready for Down Under. Driving along the coast of southwest Australia, rumour has it that down by the river sits a lady named Margaret and she waits my arrival. Margaret River, renowned for its hills of rolling wineries. This is the ideal getaway for some sweet R&R. And that's just what I need right now, a hidden retreat. I'm home. Now where's the bedroom? Finally! Off the beaten track. Privacy with rustling nature settings of cool breeze, where tranquility dances amongst the trees.
Como que sabes, brilla, como te enseñé, casa.
This is an exclusive spot, just for couples. This is Daisy. She's lovely, subtle, and pleasant. The Hidden Valley white wine reflects her character. Isn't that right, Daisy? She agrees. Go, go! I found the most tucked away spot to cook out in Hidden Valley. Come this way. Welcome to the Suitcase Cook. Today we're making grilled forest bird with lemongrass. So, here's what we need for ingredients. Have a look here. Free-range chicken, breast fillet of course. This is Australian homegrown parsley. Lovely, lovely looking cherry tomatoes. Now we've got some baby rocket and some baby carrots. Look at that. Beautiful. Now here we've got butter, some rosemary, this black pepper, some sea salt, and white wine. Here's Daisy. Really wonderful, lovely, subtle, and pleasant. Isn't that right, Daisy? Good girl. Sit. Here's the part about olive oil. Normal olive oil, basil, some fresh basil leaves, some cinnamon and spices, and you leave it in there for a few days and it smells absolutely marvelous. Smell it. And of course, we have our fire extinguisher. We're in Australia cooking out here, so we want to make sure that we have safety covered.
Now it's a bit windy here, so it might be a little bit of disturbance and noise and sound and all, because this is a cookout. Cookout, we're exposed to the elements, so listen in carefully. So we're going to season the bird. We're going to brush in some olive oil, like pepper, some sea salt, and some rosemary. And of course, we're going to have a lemongrass. Throw that into the bird. Flying bird. Oh, we forgot the mushrooms. Hey, there you go. Freshly picked Australian mushroom. Portobello, nice and juicy when it's cooked. Now we want to grease this pan with some oil. Right, now let's dash in the chicken. You really want to spread this lemongrass. Now you can smell the fragrance of the lemongrass wetting into the oil. Whoa, look at that. So at this point of time, we put in the portobello. What you want to do right now is the magic potion of Daisy. Let it spread in. Okay. lovely baby. I'm going to toss in the pre-boiled carrots now. We're going to put the free-range bird on top of the mushroom. Let the juices of the chicken breast spill into the mushroom. And we toss in some butter. Let it all soak in to the mushroom and the carrots. Beautiful. So it's ready. And finally, a little bit of garnish of parsley. So, ready to serve our grilled forest bird with lemongrass.
Aquella vez brilla como te enseñé. Calla los gritos del reloj que sigue chorreando en la pared. Duerme, todo estará bien. Ríe como aquella vez. Vuela sobre la ciudad, que nadie te llegue a derribar. Nunca lo sabré, nunca lo sabrás. Siempre habrá un porqué, siempre habrá un quizás.